We're just weeks away from a new year. Can you believe it? Where did all the time go? What are you doing to bring in the new year? More importantly, what are you wearing? Maybe I can help. Here's a bit of New Year's Eve celebration, fit inspiration just for you.
This first of 4 fits is ideal for a formal or black tie celebration among colleagues, hubby, boyfriend.
And the final fit, in terms of jewelry, I've paired pink pearls with a black onyx choker, a little bling with my tennis necklace, dangly black statement earrings, and I've finished off my accessories with a statement ring as well. I've chosen a black velvet blazer, as you can see, because velvet is such a rich, decadent, luxurious textile. I thought textured pants would be a great complementary combination.
This fun fit is ideal for a celebration among friends or trendy setting. The blue tights, the metallic blue skirt, which looks luscious in person. It almost looks like metal. The accessories, all in that same blue theme with the polka dotted shirt and the silver blazer, give this fit a modern, relevant, kitschy feel. This fit is ideal for the celebration that calls for femininity and elegance.
So this is the bodysuit. The sleeves though. The sleeves, they're giving drama. And now for the dress. Cute, cute. So what I like about this dress is it's got some drape to it. It's fluid. It isn't too tight. It isn't too loose. It's hitting that sweet spot, moving right along to accessories. I'm keeping it simple because there's a lot going on here, and the coat I've chosen to wear is going to take it up even more notches in terms of the garishness. Sometimes there is a place for a little bit of garishness. And for shoes, I'm back in my Robert Clergeray patent leather mules. Ladies, I've got to be honest, I do not do foot pain. I have yet to find a pair of pointy toe stilettos that do not cause my feet to hurt, thus my whole body. When my feet hurt, my whole body hurts. I'm not fun to be around. I'm not having any fun, so it just doesn't work for me. I will admit though, they're a little bit difficult to walk in because they don't have like anything holding the foot in, and with nylons that makes it even more of a challenge, but I can walk like this. I don't mind. I can walk like that. See, it works, it works.
Not so much. These shoes have since gone to the cobbler for a makeover. Happy to say I'm able to walk with much more confidence now that they have straps.
I look like I'm just taking my time, right? I'm in no hurry. Let me know if you know a good stiletto, pointy toe pump that is not gonna kill my feet. Christian Louboutins, kill my feet. Manolo Blahniks, kill my feet. Jimmy Choo, kill my feet. So you tell me. And now for the final touch. Can you say luxury? Can you say luxury? And it isn't quiet luxury either. This is boisterous luxury. This is loud, in your face luxury. And look, I'm gonna have these peeking out, and I've got a whole vibe going, ladies. I'm ready. I think I'm ready to have fun this New Year's Eve.
This fit is ideal for the celebration, calling for Hollywood glam and pure sophistication.
So now that I've got my jewelry in place, I've chosen a little bit of bling, pearls, a black onyx necklace with earrings, and now I'm adding these black gloves. May as well go all the way. How often do I get a chance to wear evening gloves? Not often. So there you have it. What did you think? Whatever your plans are this New Year's Eve, have fun, be safe, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, follow, and subscribe. Happy New Year!